Alright guys, have another set here. German tools. So we have a set of Gedore wrenches here. These are the ratcheting, reversible. These are actually really thin handles. So here's the difference between a Gearwrench and the Gedore as far as thickness. You see that Gedore is like damn near half as thick as the Gearwrench. These wrenches here, stamped out, forged in Germany. They send them to Taiwan to put the ratcheting guts in. These are actually serviceable, and then they send them back to Germany and they finish the whole wrench there. This set right here will cost you $650. Half of these will be a 3 degree, the other half will be a 4 degree on the swing arc. The set goes from 8 to 19. No skip sizes. Comes in a really heavy duty case. Metal latches, metal handle. You can find these used on eBay for $350-ish, so you don't have to buy them new. Maybe even $300. One of the reasons these are more expensive is they do have the reverse switch there on them. You can find the flat ones that you have to flip for on and off for cheaper than that. They will have a different handle, but these ones right here have that super, well, not super, but half the size head as a normal one. There's the I-beam handle construction there. They say that I-beam handle is twice as strong as a regular wrench. That matte chrome just looks awesome. Again, these tools here are supplied by roof repair techs here in Kansas City. You have a leak, you need a small repair, you can call him. If you're in the area, he'll hook you up. All his information will be in the description. He also has an Instagram account, it'll be in the description. You can go look at his before and after pics on his Instagram account, where you can also find more pictures of all of his different tools. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. But don't send me any panties, because they never fit.